Welcome, everybody, to Break Road 35 International. My name is Steve Hoffman, VP of Global Operations. Glad you could be with us for today's training and a series of trainings we'll be doing. Today's topic is MyPurebaby Premium Diaper. So let's get started with the training. With MyPurebaby, it's important that we all know it's a hard time out there for everybody. You know, imagine what life would be out for diapers, without diapers for mommies. And don't forget the dads as well. Yes, that you need them as well for all your children, your babies out there. And these diapers, so you understand, they're diapers and pull-ups, and go to approximately 56 pounds. So what we're going to do is go through some of the facts to give you an idea of your target market. So let's take a close look here. 361,401 babies are born each year. Now that's an approximate number. It's been on the increase lately. 255 births globally per minute. 4.3 births every second. So if you ask yourself the question, especially when it comes to network marketing, people always ask about, well, saturation. Are you going to run out of a market? Well, if babies are being born every second, in this product alone, you're creating a new market. In 2016, the industry for diapers, disposable diapers, was $46.5 billion, and that's US dollars. So that's a huge market in itself. The projections for 2022 is $67.46 billion. So it's only going to grow over the next few years. And there's a lot of babies out there we need to help, just like Pure Essence with the women. Well, with MyPurebaby, those babies also need some help. In 2014, Pampers did $20 billion in business, and Huggies did $7 billion. Just imagine getting a fraction of that. And the numbers get pretty big. Let's look at a scenario back in 2013. And the typical baby goes through about 4 diapers per day. And we know there's 365 days in a year. That means each baby's doing about 1,460 disposable diapers per year. And your typical baby will use these diapers for about 3 years, the diapers and the pull-ups combined. So if you take that annual use of 1,460 times 3 years, each baby will wear approximately 4,380 diapers. You take that 1,460 times 131,940,565 newborn babies born each year, and that's on a global level. That equals over 92 billion diapers per year. Even getting 1/4% of that would explode the business for Break Road 35 International. So we have a huge market. There can't be any saturation because of babies being born every single second. Now, again, same as sanitary pads, something you should know. All diaper brands are not required to list the ingredients nor chemicals used for diapers. We're going to share with you. Sometimes it's not just the chemicals that are in the diapers, but the chemicals used to create these diapers that are also key in understanding when you're talking to people that are using the other products. Most of the leading brands have the same following ingredients, and that is polyethylene film. Essentially the same stuff as that plastic wrap that you use. A lot of people use that to cover food and store the food in the refrigerator. And it's a plastic wrap that goes on top, very thin layer. And we all know what plastic is. It's toxic, and it's not good to be exposed to our babies. Now, when we're talking about manufacturing, let's get into this. Inner lining that touches your baby's skin is usually made of polypropylene, which is LDPE. Now, that's not considered a bad plastic. However, potentially toxic industrial chemicals are involved in its manufacturing, including, look at this, butane, benzene, and vinyl acetate is used in manufacturing this product. That's not a good thing. Could there be some residue left on this product when it's introduced to the baby as that diaper? The absorbent center contains wood pulp and superabsorbent polymers, which are not natural. The polymers you're using in these diapers are not natural, and this is toxic if swallowed. Hopefully that won't happen, but the possibility does arise. And these cute babies, they can still be in danger if something is not done, and it's up to us to do something about it. That's why MyPurebaby are designed with safety for our babies in mind. Now, this is the old packaging that you see. Presently, we don't have that new packaging because you see PureBaby. The new name is MyPurebaby. There are different babies on the screen here, or on the packaging, I should say. But we wanted to just show you the sizes. There's newborn, small, and medium. And that's, then they have the XL and a double XL, which are for the pull-ups. And they come in a variety of quantity in each one of these packages. So you can order, depending on the size, anywhere from 12 to 48 diapers. What I want to do is break down the 6 parts to the diapers, and as well as the pull-ups. And the parts are the same, so in the pull-ups we'll go through it a lot quicker, but take some notes here. Again, it's recorded. You'll be able to get to see the recording. But part 1 is a top sheet. That's the layer that touches the baby's skin. It's soft fabric, just like the old-fashioned diapers before they were disposable. They were made with cloth. It has that same feel, that cloth feel, and it's much softer than most of the diapers out there. Comfort is important when we're talking about babies. Part number 2, and that's what we call the core plate, features the ADL, which is an acquisition distribution layer. And that evenly distributes the liquid, which is the urine, for faster absorbency. And it also has an anion strip, the negative ion, to reduce bacterial growth and prevent rash, otherwise known as diaper rash. There is no other product that I am aware of on the market with the anion strip, which is more like a patch. You see where number 2 is? It's a rectangle. It's white, so it blends in with the diaper. But you can physically see, if you look close, it's a wide patch that's there, and that has that anions in it, the negative ions, and that makes this product so much better than the competitors out there. Imagine having no diaper rash, and also knowing that the bacterial growth will be gone. And that acquisition distribution layer, it pulls the urine away from that top sheet toward another layer, which we're going to discuss in a moment. So your baby stays dry all night long. And when your baby's dry, guess what? You sleep, and so do they. Number 3, the absorption layer. That is our polymer gel. And the ADL layer brings everything toward, like a magnet almost, to the polymer gel, and it sucks in all the liquids. This is plant-based. It's natural. It's not like the other diapers out on the market. And the polymer gel we have can absorb 200 times its weight. Just an amazing task in itself. And where you see number 3, it actually is in the center, right below that anion patch there. Number 4, and this is part 4, and this is the back sheet. And it's super cloth-like breathable sheet to lower the heat accumulation. Okay, it keeps the baby cooler and also drier. It doesn't leak out the back end of the polymer gel, and it's the whole bottom section, not just where you see the number 4, the whole bottom section. Number 5, this is what we call our leak guards, and there are 2 on each side. ensures that liquid will not flow out of diapers and mess with your baby's comfort, keeping them dry. So the two elastic bands on each side. Number 6, the final part, and that's the wetness indicator. You see a close-up there of those 3 yellow stripes. Well, they change from yellow to green when it's time to change your baby's diaper. So you know exactly when to change it. Babies will stay more comfortable, and all the other benefits that you just saw by using our disposable diapers. We also have the pull-up diapers in the large and XL and double XL sizes. Now, this is just a generic picture or graphic of a pull-up. It's not our design. It just show you what they all pretty much look like. And this as the same as the disposable diapers, the top sheet. We're not going to explain what it is because we've already gone through it, but it's the soft fabric. And actually, number 1 is really placed on the inside. You really can't see it, so that's the only place we can put it. It's the inside. It's the full length of the inside toward the center. So that's what we'll discuss more about the placement. Number 2, that ADL, the acquisition distribution layer, that's also right below part number 1, that top sheet. And that sucks in, as we said, the urine away from the body and also has that negative ion strip there. Part 3, and that's in the center of the pull-up at the bottom there. And that is where our polymer gel is, again, all natural. Part 4, the back sheet, is below part 3. And actually, it starts from one of the top ends you can see on your screen above where the number 4 is, all the way around to the back. And that keeps the baby cooler. They don't have that accumulated heat inside from the material that's used in most disposable diapers, so it's quite a bit different. Part 5, that's the leak guards, the elastic strips. There's 2 again on each side of the pull-ups as well. And then the final part 6 is the wetness indicator, changing from yellow to green when it's time to change the baby's diaper or pull-up. You've been seeing MyPurebaby, as you see on the screen. It says Pure Baby, but I want to show you just some of the work that our creative department can do. We'll ask them once we get the new packaging listed here. We'll be able to change that for future presentations. This is good for you to educate the people that you're talking to. This is MyPurebaby Premium Diapers. We hope that you've gotten some good information today from this. And share this with everybody that you know, the facts that you saw with your team that may not have seen this yet, your target market, because we are about educating people. A lot of times people say, well, Steve, what do I do next? Well, what you do next is share what you've learned. You decided to work with Break Road for a specific reason. What is that reason? Obviously, people are drawn into this company more because of the products. We offer products that are attractive. People can see instant results. That's huge in this industry. You don't normally see that. So take advantage of that. Share what you know. Chances are you already know more than most people. They don't know anything about our products yet. When you're doing the Pure Essence product, obviously a live demo is important. Hopefully there'll be a live demo for this product very soon as well, one of the absorbency tests. I heard there is, so I'll be waiting on that, on how to do that. That'll be another video and training in itself. So we want to thank you for taking the time today. We do this once a week, every Monday or Tuesday, depending on what country you're in, is for training. And we do Thursday and Friday for presentations on MyPurebaby and Pure Essence, so you can invite people to see that presentation and they can learn more about our products and about Break Road 35 International. At this point, we're going to stop